Okay, so hey there. Yeah, like I mentioned, I wanted to yeah, just do this quick recording because I did some updates to my automation framework. So I thought I'd put together a project that for the innovation website, just browsing the website, clicking a few links, nothing intrusive, and to generate some data and some results, and so I can generate the reports, make sure they're working okay. So yeah, let me just go in here. So this is the project here. I got a few projects in here, but this is the innovation project here. Um, these are the test cases here, right here. I'm running three test cases in this demo: landing links, landing page, and login. Um, just simple test cases. Just clicking on some links and verifying that some web page title opened, etc. Um, like for instance, this one here, this is opening the business link, and then verifying that it opened, and then verifying that there is the pre-approved financing link is there. So yeah, just very quick, simple test. This is just opening up the login button. Sorry, not opening the login button, but clicking on the login button, and this one here is uh, going to the login page and typing some text into the username and password fields, and then verifying the login buttons there. It's not clicking on it. It's not trying to log in or anything. It's just interacting with the page a little bit, but nothing intrusive. Um, yeah, these are the test cases. You see here, I got some tags here, some annotations, smoke, and makes it really nice. I can create a smoke, uh, a set of smoke test cases and a set of regression test cases. And once I run them, it will look for the tags that are regression or smoke, depending on which one I run. I'm running the smoke right now. Anyways, I'll just kick these off and let them run, generate some data. Okay, this should be the last one coming up. Clicking on the business link and then verifying the get approved link. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, so they're finished, and then we go in here. So this is the logging. Don't mind the red. Well, this is really nothing. It's a WebSocket listening. That's fine. That's it's not a test case error. It's just a setup error. Uh, but yeah, and this is just this red is I think my Chrome version is out of date. But this is like the main logging. But the main thing is they passed. This is like the main logging here. Anything that's ran just gets dumped into here on the console. Um, this is the log file for it here. So it gets bigger and bigger and bigger. I have to clear it out, but yeah, it's just like a raw log file. Anything that's ran just gets dumped into here. Good for going back and checking and debugging, seeing what's going on when we run the test cases. But the HTML report one is over in here, auto report. And I also have no fail, so it takes screenshots if a fail happens, but there's no screenshots right now. So let's just open this one up. Just trying to refresh, looks like. There we go. Let's go into here. And there it is there. So this is the HTML report. There's the 4 test cases that we just ran. And, well, 4 test cases and tests that we just ran. And this is the dashboard here. It's all green, of course. You see here, if there was a fail, obviously this would be red, and then the error code would be here, and then a screenshot would be attached to it. And I click on the screenshot to see what the error is. And then there's also, so you see here in the XML file that I ran, There's the name of a suite. So a folder for that is also created. And if you go into this one, and this is just a very high level view, HTML results page of the tests that we ran as well. It's all green, but it's a nice simple view there. And then so that's basically it for that. But what I can do now with this is this project now, I can upload this into GitHub, which is here, and then I have Jenkins installed on my machine here, and I can set up a project in Jenkins, and it can be executed through Jenkins for CI/CD. And I did that already. Surprise, yeah. And it's right here. And what I can do is, I'm not going to go through the details of it being configured, but what I'll do is, if this was a typical CI/CD, then developers would be merging some code, and then that would be some type of trigger, and then the trigger would trickle down to me, well, not me, but these tests, and these tests would be kicked off automatically. But right now I'm just triggering them manually, which with this build now. So I just click this, and you see down here it's running. This is build number 8. I'll say I did a few more, just testing it out. I'm going here, and we can go to the console output, and it'll show what's running in the background. It runs headless. The Chrome browser doesn't open, or the Firefox browser, depending on what you're running. It doesn't open when you run through Jenkins. Because typically this would be on a server, not on my local desktop PC here. And then it'd be like shut down, like it wouldn't be accessing it all the time. So it just runs headless. And just let it generate the reports. You can see these reports here right now. It's the same logging as this right now in there. Runs in the background, which is nice. Just let that finish up. There we go, finished. You can see there, it says finished success. And then there's those 4 tests that were run. Here's the auto report. So the same auto report that we saw earlier is generated in Jenkins. Oh shoot, I forgot to, my images are being blocked. But anyways, the report would be the same as this report here. And it's on, so this is on a server, so anybody can access this via the URL. So when the tests are run, anybody can come in here and take a look and review the results. The test NG results are in here as well. You can drill down into the results. You go down to the test cases, and then there's the test that were just run. There, you can drill down into one of the tests. So if this was a fail, you get more information here about the failure. But just a simple overview of how the results are logged in Jenkins. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See ya.